We go now to the New York City, New York National Weather Service forecast discussion. We hope the discussion will include a mention of the storm system expected to develop in the Gulf of Mexico this weekend or even on Friday, and what the exact track will be, but we will see what's going to be happening. This was issued 9:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, December 11th, 2023. New York, New York. Synopsis. A cold front will continue to push east of the region today as deepening low pressure tracks into Canada. High pressure will then build from the southwest on Monday night into Tuesday. A cold front approaches Tuesday night and passes through late Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. Another strong high will then build from the west for later in the week, then shift off the New England coast Saturday night. Near term, at 14:30 Zulu, conditions are quickly drying out across the region as a deepening 996 MB low and the Gulf of Maine continues to pull off to the north and east, and its attendant cold front is now well offshore to our east. Temperatures have cooled into the 30s behind it, and a bit lingering sprinkles or flakes will gradually come to an end everywhere over the next couple of hours. As a result, the flood watch has been pulled from remaining zones, with the threat having largely come to an end. The only exception is across portions of southeast Connecticut, where a flood warning remains in effect for river flooding along the Yantic. Skies start to clear from southwest to northeast from late morning through the afternoon. The pressure gradient will remain rather tight today as the departing low continues to deepen and high pressure starts to arrive. Gusts of 35 to 40 miles per hour appear to be a good bet for the mid to late morning as cold advection is maximized as the upper trough axis pivots through. Late in the day and into the evening, the pressure gradient begins to decrease somewhat. It will be a good 10 to 15 degrees cooler with 40s across the area into the afternoon. Short term 6 p.m. this evening through 6 a.m. Tuesday. High pressure builds from the southwest tonight. Winds will gradually decrease with gusts still around 20 to 25 miles per hour at times during the evening. After midnight, expect clear skies, any gusts ending. This will allow temperatures to fall to seasonably cold levels. Temperatures should get below freezing in most places, with lows in the middle and upper 20s in the more rural areas to mainly low 30s across the city and urban locations. Long term, Tuesday through Sunday, no changes to the long term. Follow the NBM closely. Quasi-zonal flow aloft in the wake of one departing trough on Tuesday will give way to another northern stream trough on Wednesday, which should drive a cold front through either late Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. Confluent mid-level flow after this trough passage, followed by ridging aloft Friday, will then maintain strong surface high pressure over the area, with perhaps a weak intervening cold frontal passage Friday night. Guidance has been trending towards hanging on to high pressure over the area through the weekend. As high pressure shifts east, is where model spreads start to really increase. There is potential for another low pressure system to impact the area late Sunday, but large differences remain in timing, strength, and location. Forecast follows the NBM for the most part, given close enough NWP model guidance agreement during this time frame with only minor adjustments. Fair weather should prevail through the period, with only slight chance of precipitation for next Sunday. Near normal temperatures Tuesday through Wednesday, and a little below normal Wednesday night through Thursday after the cold frontal passage should moderate to a few degrees above normal Friday and Saturday through ridging surface and aloft. So it has it arriving, if something does form, it will be arriving in New York late Sunday.